Hiya, I am sharing my first video for 2026 in the garden. I want to give you an update of what's been going on since the beginning of spring. I have been watching my plants to see what will pop back up and what won't. I've been doing some clearing out. I cleared out yesterday. It was a beautiful day yesterday and an absolute beautiful day today. I'll show you what I did. I've pulled out all of the old plants that was in these pots. I can't remember what they were. Oh, one of them was sunflowers for sure. So I've cleared those out and put these to one side until I decide what I'm going to do with them. This is about the fourth heap of weeds and stuff that I've cleared from in between over there and out of those pots that I've just showed you. So I've filled 3 bags so far, so this is the fourth heap. This is coming back up. I've forgotten what this is called, but it's a really nice plant. Oh, what's it called? Oh no, I've forgotten. If anyone knows, let me know. But I will check it on Google. I'm going to get some of those sticks to write what plants I have. So that's coming up really nice. Look how healthy that is. Now, I'm not quite sure if any of this is going to come back up. Not quite sure, because here are the roots. I did cut everything down, but these has popped up. I did Google to find out if they were weeds, and Google said no, they're not weeds. They're just common plants that pop up in your pots or in your shrubs. This is going really well, the silver one. Again, I don't know what's this called, so I'm going to Google everything. I do have a plant recognizer anyway, so I'm going to use that, and I'm going to get those sticks, order some of those sticks from Amazon to write them down. Now, I'm not quite sure what this is. I know I had some lemon in here, and I've cut it all down. Can you see? I've cut it all down. But I don't know what this is popping up and doing. It doesn't smell like lemon. No, doesn't smell like anything. And again, I'm gonna get the plant recognizer to see what it is. So I'm really pleased with what I've done. Right, I need to show you this one now. This lavender, I'm not quite sure if it's gonna come back up. I'm gonna leave it for a while. It smells absolutely amazing, but I don't know if it's going to come back up. I'm going to watch it. I'm not giving up on it as yet, but this is the lavender. This is the plant here. It smells amazing, and I want to replace it. I might just get another one if I see any on special offers when I go to the garden centre. I've forgotten what this plant is as well. Sorry about the shadow. But this is doing really well. Look at this. So I'll wait and see what it buds, what flowers comes up. And this is my mint, one of my mint plants that's coming back up nice. Ah, this is lemon mint. I can smell the lemon. Ooh. Yes, this is lemon mint. And I do have another mint over here. This one is a mint as well. This is the traditional, the proper one, the common one that you see in the gardens. Those coming back up now. I'll show you. Yeah, my chives, I'm hoping those come back up as well. I've cleaned it up as best as I can. I'm going to water everything this evening when the sun goes down. My thyme is doing really well. I chopped it all down for the winter, completely chopped it all off, washed them, packaged them up in little sections in foil, and put them in a Ziploc bag in the freezer. So every time I'm cooking, I'll just take out one of those foil packets and use it. And look how this has grown already. Look at this. I have never had a thyme plant grow so healthy and so well for me. This is the very first time. Really pleased with that. This is lavender, another lavender plant. They just smell absolutely gorgeous. Smells so good. So that's doing really well, as you can see. This is my rosemary plant. I'm going to keep an eye on it, but it went through the whole of the winter. I was taking off, cutting bits off to steep them so I can make moisturizer for my hair all throughout the winter. And I think it's done really well. At least it's not dead. I'm really happy with my green fingers from last year to now. Really happy. This is the lemon verbena that I'm going to clean up. This is the only one that needs cleaning up. Yeah, this is the last that needs cleaning up. So I've got to clean up all of them, everything down the bottom here, and just cut down all the dry bits. But as you can see, that's looking healthy as well, doing really well. Again, I'm sorry for the shadow. Now, what I wanted to talk about is my rose plant. I have had this rose plant for about 20 years. And the more I cut it, prune it, the more it springs up roses. So that's what I'll be doing this year. Again, like last year, I had a great crop of them that I could decorate my living room and put them in vases. And I'm just bombarded with ants. I've noticed it from last year actually, and I wasn't quite sure what to do, but online says to use, fairy liquid and water and spray it, or just hose down the ants. But I mean, I use the hose often, so that didn't seem to be working, but they were just infested in here. And I've put that that powder thing. I will put it in the video. I'll add it in the video so you can see what it is. It's kind to plants and stuff like that, but it keeps ants and mites and stuff away from the plants. There was a lot of them hanging around, and I'm just seeing one or two dotted around. Not even two, just single one now and again. I think it's doing its job. And then down here, I put some down here as well around the base. See how that goes. I've got my speak here, see no evil. Yeah, I've got those. And this one as well. Remember this rose plant? It was gifted to me last year. It was a bit sick, I have to say, but when I cut it down, it did. I had some beautiful red roses from it. So I've got to just nurture it, keep it cut down, and take it from there. But yeah, I used some of the powder again for that. And I'm not seeing any ants so far. When I lift this up, the plant pot, I'm just bombarded with ants, but not anymore. When I lift it up, they've all gone. None to be seen. So I'm happy with that, really am. And that is my garden so far. Let's just show you. I need to clean this one out, and I have another one on the other side. Just show you. This one as well that needs cleaning out. Right, so I've got 3 more pots to do. And let me walk slowly. And my little makeshift water fountain, it's still going strong from last year. I'm really happy with that. And behind here by my shed, I've got to tidy up my plant pots. All those have got to be tidied up. And I've got to cut away the ivy. I don't like it overgrowing. And here's my boy. Hello. Right, okay, so these are my herbs. Yeah, and then over here, so that's my garden. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you back soon. Bye for now.